This is section 1.5 for beginning algebra, Math 0302. This is the first video for this section. This section is called adding real numbers. Notice that it says when adding 3 plus 2, 3 and 2 are called the add-ins. So this 3 and this 2 are add-ins. Now let's talk about how we add numbers on the number line. So here's a number line. If we said 3 plus 2, okay. So if we were going to do 3 plus 2, we would put a point at the number 3. So say there's a point there. They can't really see it very well. Do it there. No. How about there? Alright, we'll have to do it there. Anyway, so there's a point here at the number 3. So plus 2 means that we're going to go 2 to the right. So I'm going to start at this 3 and go right 2. So go plus 1, plus 2. And that would put that at 5. So our answer to 3 plus 2 would have to be 5. Sorry, I must not be able to write on the picture here. Anyway, this is how we add on the number line. Now it's important to understand that because we're adding a positive 2 on the number line, to the right is positive and to the left is negative. So if I added a negative 2 to this, I would actually start at the 3 and go left 2 places, because a negative 2 is towards the left. So let's look at our practice one. It says 2 plus 4. Now we could just look at the number line here. So I'd put a point at the 2 somewhere. There we go. I'd have to put a point here. And then we'd go 4 to the right. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can't really see that very well, so we'll just go down here. So down here, if I did a number line here, I'm just going to put a point here at 2, and then go right 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I do that, I'd be going from 2 to 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Now obviously I'd expect you to know that off the top of your head, but this is the reason that this works. Now negative 2 plus negative 4. Again, I can show that using a number line. So I'd start out with a negative 2 and then I'd add negative 4 to that. Notice I'm going to put negative 2 towards the right hand side this time, because I'm going to add a negative, which means I'm going to be going towards the left, so I need space towards the left of it. So I'd start at the negative 2 and go left 1, 2, 3, 4. And that number is 6. Excuse me, negative 6. So negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Now then, let's look at 2 plus negative 4. 2 plus negative 4, again, draw my number line. I'm adding a negative, so I'll be going to the left, so I need to start at the 2, and I'm going to put it over here so I have room to go to the left. And I'm going to add on a negative 4, which means I'm going to add on 4 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2 is where I'm left. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So the answer here is negative 2. Now down here I have negative 2 plus 4. Again, start out with the number line. I'm adding a positive, so I'm going to the right, so I'm going to put the negative 2 over here and add on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So I'd be left at 2. There you go. Make sure I box my answers here. And there you go. Now, one thing to keep in mind, with something like this, I would not expect you to draw a number line and move something to the left or right. You should just be able to look at A, B, C, and D and just tell me what the answer is fairly quickly. We'll talk about how you'll do that in the next video.